Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. Today we have a very useful video. If your PC is suddenly showing an error saying, "We can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization," you are not alone. I will show you exactly how to run the built-in activation troubleshooters and repair your system files to restore your valid license immediately. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run command box. Type exactly SLUI3 and press Enter to instantly force open the hidden activation settings menu. Click on the Troubleshoot button right below the error message and let Windows attempt to automatically fix the issue. This step is crucial because Windows can frequently lose its connection to its own activation servers, and running this troubleshooter manually forces the system to reconnect and instantly re-verify your existing digital license. Quick tip: if you know you have a purchased retail key, you can simply click the Change Product Key option on this same screen to manually type it back in instead. Next, open your main Windows Settings app and navigate to the Troubleshoot menu. Click on Other Troubleshooters, find Windows Update in the list, and click the Run button next to it. Doing this allows Windows to actively scan for and repair buggy or corrupted files left behind by a recent system update, which is one of the most common reasons your PC suddenly forgets its own activation status. If the troubleshooter finds a problem and applies a fix, make sure you completely restart your computer before checking if the activation watermark is gone. Finally, click your Windows search bar, type in CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type the command exactly as sfc/scan now and press Enter to begin the system repair process. This initiates a deep diagnostic scan that actively searches for and repairs any severely corrupted core files that are permanently blocking the Windows activation service from communicating with your organization's network. Once the scan reaches 100% and successfully repairs your files, completely restart your computer one last time to allow the changes to take effect and finalize your activation. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.